Good morning, YouTube. It's a beautiful day here. Taking the birds out. It's either doing 50 ear mile toss or we're doing 100 ear mile sprint race. So it really depends. Once we hit the road, we should know whether if we want to do a 50 mile short toss or a 100-mile sprint race for these birds. So started with 7, now we're down to 4. And these 4 has been super amazing. We'll keep everyone updated really soon. So we're gonna pack up and hit the road right now. See you guys in a bit. Okay, so we're here. It's a good 70-mile toss. Driving miles, but air miles probably 64, 65, give or take. Got the birds here. Again, it's a beautiful day. We've got a gust of south-southeast wind, about 19 miles per hour. So we'll see. All right, here we go. There goes the bird. Straight home. All right, we'll check back in a bit. All right, so it looks like the birds are here. They're back in good time. About an hour, 40 minutes. It's a little bit longer than I expected, but they're home. They're home. They're coming right there. There goes the bird. Now let's get them trapped.